Oh shit. Bad way to start the video. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry that I ain't posting in the week. I've been busy and I didn't feel like posting. If more people get to watch the videos, we're going back to we're gonna do Anvil O. It's on survival. I never done a video of Anvil O, and just finished watching Dark. Yeah. I don't know why I said it like that. I just did finish. Shut up, Leroy. And it's am I? Oh shit! What'd I do? Okay. Okay. Let's go to sleep. We just started the video, and now we're going to sleep, and Leroy's in the shot. Sorry about that. Leroy's in the shot. Shut up. Sorry. Phone flip. Sorry. Leroy's in the shot. Can you get out the shot? You want to be famous, huh? Create a YouTube channel and make videos. Pretty fucking sure if I put my cat on here, that I will get more reviews than ever. What? Bad sucker. Do I have any iron? No. Okay. I could make a cave. Well, guys, there's a problem. I don't know where the cave. Never mind. It's the big D thing that looks like a big old dill pickle. What the fuck? I actually did watch Xbox Addictions. Damn. I got tongue tied there. I think there should be work on here too. One time when I was on here, I was just like do. And I was like, what's down there? And I was like, nothing. Okay. And sorry, I've been yelling a lot. Sorry, you lose my voice. I didn't warm up. I had to do a warm up real quick. And then I came out. I'm like, everything's normal. Everything's fine. And then, yep, my bow is gone. Okay, so basically, I know Herobrine's fake, but I saw something right there between those cactuses standing right there. So I turn around, turn back, and it freaking